Hi everybody, Alex Employer from Expert Forex, and in today's video I want to talk to you about the importance of knowing the settings for your EAs and which EAs perform best and which settings perform best, because in the last week the MakeMoney EA has produced 4,000 pips in only 1 week of trading. Now, we would not know about that, and we would not know which settings are so successful if we weren't running monitoring accounts. And I covered this subject in a previous video. So in this previous video, I showed you how we were trading 400 EAs at the same time to produce information about the profitability of all of our EAs. Now, in this video, we introduced a monitoring account service that we are making available to our paid subscribers on our Forex Trading Setups forum. And I'll just page down to that section, and here it is. The paid subscribers have access to our monitoring accounts, and as you can see, there's a whole lot of monitoring accounts. We're actually monitoring 14 accounts. We're no longer monitoring the candle trader. And if you want to have a look at all the monitoring accounts, we've actually arranged them into portfolios. So I'm going to just open that one up, and you'll see that the 14 ones have been sorted into portfolios. Not all of them are active at the moment. A lot of them will only kick off on Monday morning, but a lot of them are active already, and the top ones are basically active. So what I'm going to show you today is the Make Money section, and let's just click on that. So that's a portfolio of all of the EAs trading the Make Money EA, and there is the result. We basically are trading $10,000 accounts, and you can see there's been some really good gains. And the first thing to do is you click on the portfolio tab, and it will show you the 6 accounts that are being traded and the settings that we are using for those accounts. So you've got the Make Money aggressive 4-hour, the balanced, all that type of thing. So if I sort this and I focus on equity because that's the current situation, you can see that this EA, and we're trading 0.1 of a lot. So when it's making 4,600 profit, it means it has made 4,600 pips, and it has only been trading for I think about 20 days. So it is quite representative, and it is, so that's a 46% return on money. But if you go down, there's a 44%, 42%, 30%, and then these guys are not doing pretty well. They're sort of breaking even, and this one's running at a small loss. But the whole idea of these monitoring accounts is exactly that, is to identify the winners, identify the losers, firstly the time frames, and also the settings, which are the winning settings and which are the losing settings. So if we go into this, and I'll just click the top one there, it will now drill down to that particular group of currencies that we're trading, and there's that specific account that we have. You can see it's been going for about 21 days, and we look at the analysis, and we can see there are the currencies that we are trading or that have been activated, because we're trading actually a lot more, but some don't activate. And you can see that they all are profitable. All of the ones that have activated are profitable. So, all right, now that's good and well. We know which are the profitable currencies. We can actually sort them in profitability order. We can also now tell which settings are the most profitable, and these are the most settings. So what do we do? How do we get hold of those settings? So what I do now is I just go backwards to this, and then I go back to the monitoring account, and there's the monitoring account section. So I then go into our Make Money ones, and there's a whole lot of information available there. You can have a look at, clients can add their own monitoring accounts, and you can look at the summary. There's the summary of all the monitoring accounts. That in fact is what we've just looked at. And then let's look at that best account that we had, and we open that up, and there it is. It's the same account that we've just looked at. It's got 21 days, and there's the profitability elements that are in there. And then the big benefit, the big thing here is we then show you the settings that are being used. Now, I'm not going to show you the settings because there are people that are actually paying for this information. This is a paid service. It's only $36 a month, and you can see the settings for all our 14 traded EAs, and you can pick and choose which EAs you want to choose and which settings you want to use. It's ideal for people that have bought our bundle at an 80% discount. They have now got those 14 EAs that we're trading, and they can now pick and choose which EAs they want to choose and which settings they want to use. A fantastic service for those kind of people. So there we are. So that's exactly what they can do. They can find the most profitable account. They can then drill down and look at the actual account, drill down into which currencies are the most profitable, and then they can come and look at the settings that are being used to trade that particular EA. And that's the whole idea of this monitoring account service. Let's just go back. And I'm not going to show you the others because, again, that's paid information. That won't be fair on our paid subscribe. Okay, so here's the section again, and it's got the monitoring accounts of most of our EAs. And as I say, they will most probably be up and running completely, all 14 of them, by Monday. It's been quite a long time to get the infrastructure in place and load all of these portfolios. Now, it's very easy to join this service. All you do is you go to the actual forum and you try and get into the paid section. So you just click on a paid section link like the Make Money that you try and click on that, and it will say, oh, you can't have access to this. You have to be a paid subscriber, and then it'll give you an opportunity to become a paid subscriber, and that's how you do it. Once you're a paid subscriber, there's no welcoming letter or anything. All that happens is that you get access to all of these paid subscriber sections. There's linked accounts, there's specialized setups, there's that monitoring account, there's testing elements that happen there, and there's a whole lot of other things. But I would say this is most probably one of the best benefits of being a paid subscriber of this particular forum. Now, I hope you found this information interesting, and it really is a key service to our EA traders to be able to monitor the certain settings that we are testing. We're testing about 6 to 8 settings per EA, and we are testing about 6 to 8 currencies per setting. So we are testing quite widely. There are 400 EAs being tested, and most probably 700 currencies being tested at the same time. So we're doing a huge effort and a huge service to our EA traders. And I must stress that EAs are quite finicky. They produce very well in favorable market conditions, and they don't do well in unfavorable conditions. So you might find the Make Money is just going crazy at the moment, and then in 2 months' time it might just calm down and go level off, whereas the Dream Machine might be leveling off at the moment, but in 2 months' time might be taking off. It all depends on your luck of what kind of market conditions you encounter when you're trading a specific EA. But what these monitoring accounts do is they tell you about the potential of these EAs, because you can see that the Make Money has huge potential. We're not lot sizing very big there. We're using mini lots there, and even using mini lots, we've produced over 4,000 pips. Okay, again, from me, Alex Deploy, cheerio. Thanks for watching this video. If you've liked it, please give it a like. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe and click the bell. But most importantly, share this video. You can do this in many ways. Message your friends, send them emails, or share it on social media, on Facebook, on Twitter, and those kind of places. So from me, Alex Deploy, cheerio.